So PayPal does not operate in your country and you're not allowed to set it with your home country's bank account. Don't worry, just like you, I was not born on the right side of the map, so you're not the only one. My name is Uğur, I'm the founder and CEO of Legal Corporation, where we help thousands of entrepreneurs from all around the world to start their US businesses and set up their PayPal account successfully. Well, the good news is you can set up your PayPal with a US entity as a US business like an LLC. My profile is full of videos of having a US company, best practices, which state is the best, taxes, and all of that. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please pause that video and hit that subscribe button and come back. The other good news is I have a step-by-step application video where I did the PayPal application on my computer, which you can simply follow it when you're doing yours. However, before going there, your US company has to be set and ready. Please do not try to apply if your US company is not fully formed with your tax ID numbers, as this may cause a rejection by PayPal. For that reason, I came out with a PayPal checklist, which includes everything you must have before applying to PayPal and going through my step-by-step guidance. Number 1, you must have a US company, whether an LLC or a C Corp. Your US company in any 50 states of the US must be set with a document that shows this company is owned by you. Documents such as operating agreement or certificate of formation are some of the common documents that can show this company is owned by you. These documents will be provided to you by your incorporator upon your business formation. Depending on the state, your business formation takes about a week. I have a video about which state is the best, whether choosing an LLC or INC. You simply can watch those ones on my channel as well. Number 2, EIN, aka Employer Identification Number. This is a tax ID number of the company. It's obtained by the IRS and it has to be to the name of your business. It can be obtained by filing an SS4 form, or simply your US incorporator will be getting your EIN as well. Currently, EIN takes around 30 days after you submitting your application. Number 3 is a business address. When you set up your company in the US, you will need to have a US business address. The address of your registered agency that's provided to you can simply be your US address. Number 4, ITIN, which is a tax ID number that's crucial for non-US residents who is not eligible to get an SSN, aka the social security number. A lot of people are skipping this one since ITIN takes long and applies PayPal without an ITIN, so they get rejected. Number 5, your website. Yes, while you can do the application without a website, it's best for PayPal to see who they're dealing with. When setting up your website, there's small things that you need to be aware of, such as you mentioning your business name on the bottom footer, so PayPal can see and say, okay, this website belongs to your business. Number 6, US bank account. Okay, this one I put it after the website, since it will be better for you to get your US bank account application with the website as well. Mercury is the ultimate bank that we recommend and the one that you actually can get it. So I also have a Mercury application video in the channel too. Make sure you're taking a look before you apply Mercury too. Number 7 and lastly is doing all the application while using a US VPS, which is basically a one unique dedicated US IP, a remote desktop connection for your US banking, payment providers, or the selling platforms. It will be the best as a US business to be operating from the US. Even the companies that are based 100% in the States and run by Americans does use VPS. Just like everything else, I do have the VPS video in the channel too. You gotta watch that one too. Well, once you have everything on the list, I can almost certainly say that you'll be accepted by PayPal. Where to get all of this? Well, instead of recommending getting your company from here, ITN from there, we have the best solution that's specifically made for the non-US founder just like yourself. We guarantee the lowest cost and the most comprehensive service that includes everything in the simplistic process that can ever be for you to start your US entity and having your PayPal account. My teammates help you up until you set your PayPal. Whether you do your entity setup with us or elsewhere, once you have everything on the checklist ready, you're pretty much ready to do the application, which you can see me doing it step by step and getting accepted by PayPal successfully by simply clicking the video that I have it here.